Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like previously on we have learned about many things using React 18 and I hope you all enjoy that. In the previous video I have telling you what is default and name export in React 18 and I hope you enjoy that all things. So today video is also really helpful and in today's video we will be doing a really main tag which is used in React 18. Today I will be telling you what is JSX in React 18 and if you have not known JSX so you can just see the videos on YouTube available related to JSX. JSX is a Google Chrome extension which is used in Google Chrome. It is also used in JavaScript and normal React functions like React.js, React and in the libraries of React.js also. But today we are using this JSX in React 18 and I'll be telling you from start to end how to use this JSX, where it is used and when we have to use it in our project. So remember to see this video if you want to learn what is JSX and how to use it in our projects. And if you want to see more videos like that, so hit a like to this video, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell from which you will be notified with all the future videos, and share this video so more people can learn about these amazing things and they can also learn how to use this JSX in our projects and what is this JSX, how to just build projects with JSX, how to import it using React 18. I'll be telling you all the things. You can also check my previous videos if you want to learn React 18 from start. I've also uploaded React.js, React and Next.js tutorial in which it will be giving you help related to both all the languages which you needed. So just we starting with our today's video and seeing what is JSX in React 18 and how to use it in our projects. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be working on JSX using React 18. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing what is JSX in React 18. So for working with JSX here, you have to open your VS Code. So you can see this here. I've opened this now. Here I will be opening my Opera browser after this. So this is our VS Code and the folder here in which we were working with our React 18 tutorials project. And this was our previous project in which we have learned about default name and export. In today's project I'll be telling you what is JSX. So we will be not working any of the practical thing in JSX. Here you have to just do one thing. You have to now make these all tag here like this, like I'm telling you. Just save this and you have to remove these all import JSX, like these all things which we will be not needing here. Just you have to save this. Now here we will be not writing means it will be not any work which you will be getting on this page, or it will be not, you can say, the work which we are doing at the front end. Today's our work is of JSX, which is the back end work, and I'll be telling you what is this JSX and how to use. First of all, for using the JSX you have to download it in your library, means in your node modules you have to download this JSX. And the command to download this JSX is you have to move to terminal. Then after moving to the terminal you have to just write here npm install, or you can say npm I, and then I will be writing JSX. Press enter here. You can see I've written npm I JSX, means npm install JSX. So it will be just installing your JSX command file here in your node modules. You can see it is restricting and it has installed the JSX file in my folder of node modules. Now when it has installed, so you have to write import JSX element constructor. You can see we have just import this JSX from here. Now if I write this JSX element here, so right here JSX element constructor here, close this tag. Then when you will be writing here, I will be writing JSX. Save this, and after saving here, you can see just nothing happens, because like I've telling you, this work is at the back end and we will be not getting anything out in this page. It will be doing all the things at the back end. So here I will be moving to my inspect element. After moving to inspect element, go to source, and you can see we are getting all the things here, like it is saying that add create fiber from type and props React DOM development, means it is giving error. So it is giving error here because we have just done not the good thing. You can see it is saying that it is doing like these all things, but these all, you can see one thing, these all error are coming because we have written these all tags of JSX here. And you all know that JSX is a Google Chrome extension which is used at the backend. So you can see when we are running our JSX command, so it is saying that, means it is giving us warning that it is not working or it is having any runtime error. So we have to solve that all things. So like this, it is showing some error here. So you can just see this is the JX which we are getting here at the back end. And if it is perfect, means if it is not having any of the problem, so it will be showing you here. So I will be just now removing these all stuff from directly here. Then I will be writing here alert. After writing this alert tag, you have to just now write here pop up like this. Save this. then you can see we are just getting this here alert pop up. So from this you will be getting an alert pop up directly. So here now if I just move on this page, then using JSX we will be redirecting the button on the different page. So for doing this you have to make a button tag first of all. So here I will be moving right here button, and then I will be writing second page on this button, means this will be the name of the button. Then I will be just writing here href, means the link here, and in the link I will be writing slash, then I will be writing like this. Now when you've written this, here I will be just moving, then after moving here you have to write like this dot slash, or you can say this, here I will be writing like this. Now you have to save. Then if I press this, so here you can see this button is redirecting me to the page here. So if I write like this page, which is index.js, so this is the simple page here in which we are working. So if I press this button, you can see nothing happens because it is not redirecting us to the same page here. So we will be using JSX to redirect us to the second page. So for using JSX, first of all I will be moving to the console tag here. You can see this is the console we are getting, and this is the index.js href, means the link here. So here I will be raising this link from here, means this JSX link, because here I will be not needing. Now when you erase this link here, you have to now just write a tag here which should be like to link our href link. So here I will be now just writing report. So if I write this report and press here, you can see it is saying that means it is getting some issue and it is not performing there. So if I write that JS tag again, means that the JS one which we have written, JSX element constructor, if I write that tag again, so you will be seeing that we are getting the error again. So if I just show you that thing, you can see if I press Ctrl Y, so we will be getting this error again, you can see, and the button is also gone from here. So we are just getting because we are using JSX. So I want to just show you one thing and want to confirm one thing, that JSX is the thing which you will be getting at the back end, not at the front end you will be getting. So just it is getting some of the runtime error which will be solved in future. But today's video, just I want to show you how JSX work, where JSX work, and how it works in project. So I hope you understand that JS works at the backend and it does not have any of the front end framework thing like this. It is used at the backend of the Chrome extension. So I hope you understand how to just work with JSX and what is JSX, where it is used. So if you have understand this video in detail and enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell from which you'll be notified with all the future videos. And also just share this video so more people can learn about these amazing parts of videos which we are doing through React 18, and I hope you'll be enjoying all the future videos also which I'll be uploading. So just now I will be meeting you next project with more amazing things using React 18. So for today, goodbye.